Hey guys, quick video here about an interesting resistor. No, not this one. Get out of there. This one. I'd not seen one of these things before, and I think it is interesting. So, yeah, I go through tube caddies that I buy, mostly for the tubes, obviously, and ham estates and such like this, and I came across some of these guys from IRC. And what's interesting is it is 4 resistors in one ceramic unit. And if you look at the values, 1,000 ohm, 2,000 ohm, 4,000 ohm, 8,000 ohm. Well, that's kind of interesting because they made this as sort of a universal resistor that you can series or parallel a lot of these sections. You don't have to use all the sections, but you can get a wide range of values from one part. Now, as you see, this is an IRC type MR4. I've got a few more of these things, MR1, MR2, and they all cover basically different, well, it's about a decade and a half, I guess. This one is good for 500 ohms to 15K. Depending, of course, how you hook the wires up, the leads. And yes, you can easily just tie leads together on either end, or if you really have to, they did make the leads long enough that you can jump across the resistor. So very interesting. This way, the TV guys did not have to basically carry around a whole slew of power resistors. They're already hauling around a whole slew of tubes for all the TVs they may have to repair. But IRC came up with a pretty good idea here. Well, a repairman could carry a range of 10 of these, and it covers almost everything they need. So pretty neat. 652 is probably the date code, so yeah, I'm going to guess it's either 1956. Actually, if I'm looking at this, it's probably 1966. For some reason, it doesn't look 50s. Could be, though. I don't know. I'm going to have to look in the Radio Masters and find out more about these. Certainly aren't common, because you'd think I would have seen these things with all my dealings over the years. There we go. Let's focus there. Pretty neat idea from IRC. Anyway, I had a little time, so I thought I'd do a video. So, like if you like and all that blah blah, bells and notifications and this, that, and the other thing. Just do want to remind everyone that I do have a Patreon, and I'll leave a link for that. And hey, if you like these videos, yes, I'll really try and do more in these very busy times of mine. I'll leave a link in the description. All right, I gotta go paint some stairs. See you later, guys.